I'm just doing a quick update today. I'm sowing a few more of these seeds for microgreens because those seeds that I ordered have now arrived, and amongst those there was peas, so we can grow pea shoots. But when you're growing the pea shoots, you don't want to put the peas straight on top of the compost or whatever other medium that you're using. You need to soak them in water first overnight to rehydrate that pea, which is what I did. And now they're in house, ready to be sown. And we're going to sow them onto that cocoa fibre. We'll head down to house and we'll get some of these pea shoots sown today. See how they get on. But as we come down garden, we can just have a quick look at that strawberry bed that we've had going since the beginning of the year. And we're still getting strawberries from it. Obviously not as many as we originally were, but for October, still getting strawberries is really good. And we'll soon be getting this planted up with brassicas as well. Well, these pepper plants are definitely done now, so we might as well take those out. We're not going to get any more from these at this time of year, but they have really done well. We'll make a bit more room for these carrots to grow, but loads of roots on these plants. We can see over there carrots. They're the ones that we've thinned out. They're growing quite close together, but there's enough room for each carrot to get an half decent size. But we need to keep that buried or we're going to end up with green tops. So I'll get the rest of these peppers pulled up today and we'll leave these carrots to grow on. And it looks like the tomato plants in this greenhouse are pretty much done. They're all starting to die back now, and we've got a couple of fruits that are still trying to ripen, but because it's dropping down now to mid-40s overnight, things are now starting to get to a standstill. So it's either pull them up and bin them, or pick the green fruit and make some more chutney, which is what I think we'll do. We also decided to swap this border that we were doing, because we got this castor oil plant up in beer garden area, but it was starting to get a bit overshadowed by that T-Rex plant. So we've dug it up and transplanted it here, and I think it's going to look really good because now it can put more size on. And we've popped in a couple more plants as well, just to grow over winter. But that container garden is now finished for the year. But we will be setting this back up again come spring, because it did really well for a very small area with just containers in it. So you can see from walking around garden just now that pretty much everything that we've been growing through summer has now died back. But it's amazing to see those strawberries. They're still producing fruit and ripening. And the tomatoes are basically finished for the season now. But in that other raised bed where we pulled those peppers from, because obviously peppers have definitely finished as well this time of year, we've got all those carrots growing, which are starting to put some size on now. So we should be getting an harvest from those quite soon. But now we're back indoors because we've got some more of those pea shoots that we want to start growing as microgreens. And I ordered some new seeds which have now come. And that's basically how they come. They're dehydrated, obviously. Before we plant those, to grow these pea shoots, we need to rehydrate them. So what I did is I've soaked them in water overnight, and now they're fully hydrated, obviously bigger than they were. So they're going to sprout a lot quicker this way. So basically all we need to do now is prepare one of these trays and sow these seeds. So we're going to be using this cocoa fibre again for these pea shoots. Obviously a tray with lots of holes in the bottom. So we'll just get some of this in this tray. And then we just need to level it out a little bit. We want all these peas at the same level for when we harvest them. I think that'll do fine. And then it's just basically a case of spreading these peas out. We'll try to get them spread out as even as we can. And then I'm just going to press those peas down, making sure they've got really good contact with that compost. So that should do for now. I'll just give them a quick spray of water. And then we need to weight them down. Pea shoots are quite strong plants, so they'll easily push this tray back up. And we're going to add extra weight to this as well. And that's his peas all set up. Now we just need to wait for them to germinate. So, really simple to do. That's all them peas set up. And because we soaked them overnight, they are going to germinate a lot quicker now. And now all we have to do is play that waiting game to see how long it takes for these pea shoots to start growing. And then we can compare those to the ones we've already sown in compost. And then we'll do some more on paper towels to see which comes out the best. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this video. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on next update. You all take care.